In the era of energy transformation, Solarparts, with professional customization capabilities, inject green energy into enterprises. We are not only manufacturers. It is also a research and development partner, standing shoulder to shoulder with you, from tackling core technologies to achieve precise product development. The Solarparts team has a deep understanding of industry demand. Provide one-stop customized services from photovoltaic modules to system integration. On production base, strict quality control. Ensure that each product is efficient and reliable. Whether it's industrial and commercial rooftops, outdoor off-grid, or special scenario applications, we all strive to tailor cost-effective solutions, help you reduce costs and increase efficiency, and achieve sustainable development. Choose Solarparts. It's about choosing focus, flexibility, and trustworthiness. Solarparts. Let clean energy be customized for you.